Hello there, I'm Candy Sherwin. This tutorial is for a dance called Easy Tonight. The song is the same title by an artist named Nico Moon, and it is choreographed by Michelle Wright. 4 walls, beginner level dance, no tags, no restarts. Here we go. Easy start on the right foot, step at a diagonal, 1, touch your left foot in, 2, same on the left, 3, 4. We're going to take it back on a little zigzag, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. If you are not inclined to do the step tap, you can change it, modify it, and take this 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just bring that back, 6, 7, 8. And that'll give us the same timing of 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if that works better for your body, you like that better, you can do that instead. Okay? Second count of 8 starts with a right grapevine, ending with a cross, 1, 2, 3, over 4, into a Lindy step. Now a Lindy is a side chassé or shuffle, step together, step, and a little rock back, a little bit of an angle, rock, recover. Then we're going to finish this with another grapevine this way, 1, 2, 3, here. Actually, I'm going to go back and just do the grapevine with the Lindy because that's a different count. So let's just stay with the grapevine with the Lindy, Candy. We have side, back, side, cross, step together, step, rock, recover. With the counts, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, back, 7, 8. Now you do the left grapevine, 1, 2, but this time instead of ending on a cross, bring it together. We're going to travel to the right, swiveling our heels, heels, toes, heels, toes, and you're going to end up facing 3 o'clock. You're going to be on your left foot, change your weight a little bit so your right foot is free for the next step. So that's just an adjustment you need to make as you do the turn. So that count of 8, the left grapevine goes side, back, side, together, heel, toes, heels, toes, weighted on your left foot. Back to the beginning for continuity. 6, 7, 8, forward, right, left, left, right, bring it back, and 6, and 7, and 8. Side, 1, 2, Lindy step, chassé right, rock, recover, grapevine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, a little bit more. You're going to rocking chair, right, left, left. This is a jazz box, but we're going to make a half a turn, so we need to get to 9 o'clock. So the first thing we always do is cross over, right? We're going to cross, you're going to turn it out, you're going to get to this other wall, and you're going to step forward to finish it, which will set you up to go to the next part, okay? So the last count of 8 starts with a rocking chair, rock, recover, cross on 5, back on 6, open on 7, and 8. Here you are, magically to start it again. So we're going to go back to the top. I'll do it at this wall, and then I'll repeat it at the second wall to give you another vantage point, okay? 6, 7, 8. We 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, cross it over, Lindy, step, rock, recover. Grapevine, 1, 2, 3, 4, swivel, 5, 6, turn on 8, right foot, cross right, left, will start again. I'm going to do the variation where you just step it back. Grapevine, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Grapevine, 2, 3, heels first, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you just keep going. As I said, there's no tags, there's no restarts. There's a couple little things if you want to add. I think it's the second wall and the fifth wall. During the lyrics on the last count of 8, You can raise your glass. They're talking about that. You'll hear it. You can bring your glass up if you want to add that in there. Also, at the end, you'll be right here at 9 o'clock doing your grapevine and your swivel, and it ends here, and that's the end of the dance. And so if you want to, you can, instead of going da, 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 you can go heel, toe, heel, and step out, or step forward and give a little toast to the glass. Little fun things if you want to add them, but that doesn't change anything on where you end, okay? So we're going to give this a little shot with music. Let's see what happens. This has a 32 count intro. All right. Here we go on 1. 5, 6, 7 goes 1.
This whole bar is
grapevine into your Lindy. Cross it. Grapevine into your twisting. Rocking chair, jazz square, right, left, diagonal. Or you can walk it back. Grapevine, Lindy step, grapevine, swivel. That's where you can bring the hand up. Sorry, I tried to tell you while I was dancing. I didn't do it, that's all right.
Beer's cheap, man is cold, country songs on the radio. Now hold heaven, it's real damn close.
Jazz box.
To this, when the music is playing through.
Now this one is another place where you can add that hand.
They getting faded, now I just can't get enough. Bartender, fill up my cup. I just wanna raise one up. It's going down easy tonight. Ain't it good when it all feels right? Between the streak in my hand and some real good friends. It's going down easy tonight.
On the back there.
Days are made for letting go. We'll get there faster if we take it slow. It's going down easy tonight. Ain't it good when it all feels right? Between this drink in my hand and some real good friends, it's going down easy tonight. Yeah, it's going down easy tonight. Ain't it good when it all feels right? Yeah, I'm pouring a song while we're singing along. It's going down easy tonight. Yeah, it's going down easy tonight. Oh, yeah, it's going down
Coming up the end.
easy.
I'm gonna have a little Lindy.
It's going down easy tonight, y'all.
Woohoo! A little toast there at the end. So you can just twist into it or you can step into it. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I hope that you are subscribed. Please, I always ask you to like the videos and share them and make comments. Please ask any questions. I really will try to get back to you. I appreciate you watching. I teach here in the Los Angeles area. And by the way, if you don't know about the little hack that you can do on YouTube to slow it down, when you're watching your video, you're going to see the little wheel at the bottom, the little circle. If you tap on that, it's going to give you a place that you can change the speed. So if you've been watching this at full speed and you need to slow it down, you can bring it down and you can watch it a little slower. Okay? So anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the dance floor.